If you're currently looking for the best affiliate program to join and make the most amount of money in 2024 with the least amount of effort, you're in the right place. Now, I've been online the last 10 years. I've tried dozens of different programs, and most of them have tons of problems. They promise the world, they never actually deliver. Recently, I've discovered what I believe to be the best program, again, after trying dozens of them. And I'm going to share with you what this program is, and I'm also going to share with you my top 5 reasons on why I believe this is the best program you should join. So I have a document right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you the 5 reasons that I'm personally running with this program this year. Like I said, I've been online the last 10 years. I've seen tons of different things, and I've never before seen a program that has all 5 of these things in place in such a simple and easy way that any beginner can really dive in and crush it with it. So number one, the first reason I'm running with this, and I'm going to share with you the exact program in a second, but it has instant payments up to $900. So if you're currently promoting a program, an affiliate program to make money, and you're not getting paid instantly, you have to ask yourself, how fast can you really scale? You know, back when I used to promote products on ClickBank or JVZoo, sometimes I didn't get paid for 4 weeks. So I make the referral, I make the commission, and I'm waiting up to a month to get the money. Well, if I want to scale, if I want to run ads or even just buy nice things or go to a restaurant with the money, I have to wait a very long time. With this, you can literally get 100% resell rights when you join the program, meaning you can sell that product as your own. What that means is there's no middleman. So when you make a referral, your customer will pay you directly. So a lot of people inside the community are using Stripe. This is my actual Stripe account. And you can see that these payments are coming in over and over and over again. And the cool thing about these payments is, again, it's instant. So when I go to recommend this program and someone buys, it instantly goes into my Stripe account, and then I can instantly just move it to my bank account within the same day, which is absolutely incredible. And there's very few programs out there that will pay you instantly. Now, the program that I'm referring to is called the Legacy Builder program. Now, you're going to see a lot more about this. It just recently launched at the time of recording, and people have been going crazy. And I'm going to go into the actual program in a second and share with you much more information. But I want to hit on point number 2, and that is endless testimonials to use for promoting. So a lot of times if you join a program, not a lot of people are seeing results, right? Maybe they have a Facebook group for members or a different community, but a lot of people aren't actually getting results. No one's posting that they're making money with it. This is very difficult to promote because one of the easiest ways to promote is to actually share testimonials. So with this specific program, they literally give you tons and tons of testimonials that you can literally use because everyone is crushing it, okay? I want to share with you actually real quick. I want to go inside the community, okay? So this right here is the community. It's the digital growth community. And inside of the digital growth community, there's different product packages you can actually join. And the Legacy Builder is the $900 level, okay? Now, if you go in the community and you go into wins right here, you're going to be able to see over and over and over again, okay, people crushing it. So this was 19 hours ago, $300 upgrade, okay? I had a friend upgrade to the Legacy Builder while I'm still in my PJs, okay? So this person is literally in their pajamas, almost sleeping, and they had a $300 payment come in, okay? There's tons of different wins, but I want to share with you just the income results because you can see what's possible. $1,800 today, okay? This works. So grateful for this community. Amy right here, 6 days ago, she posted 30K for March and over 10K in 48 hours. $600 win while watching my daughters play softball tonight. Now, you may be wondering, how are these people making money while they're out doing something else? That's actually a later point on my 5 reasons, which has to do with automation, which I'll cover in a second. $300 ding while grocery shopping, $600 ding, $300 this month. I mean, I can go scroll and scroll and scroll, and these are just results and results. So why is this amazing? Well, one, you know this program works because people are crushing it, and most of these people are beginners. But two, I can literally just take a snipping tool. Okay, so like for example, I can literally just, if I have a tool on my computer or my phone, I can take a screenshot. I can literally just do this. Okay, boom. Now I have this photo here. I can save this to my computer and I can literally just post this on like Facebook or Instagram or in a story on Instagram. Okay, or I could do a video on TikTok and I can show that photo. And I can use this proof, even if I don't have my own results, I can use other people's results to get my own results. And if you see my Facebook, if you see my TikTok, I do this all the time, right? I'm even doing this in this video right now. I'm showing other people's proof because if I show my proof, you may think, okay, this is great. Yeah, obviously he's making money. But what about people that are brand new? And this is absolutely incredible. So that's my my second reason, which makes it promoting incredibly easy. Because again, all you have to do is if you want to send an email to, let's say you have an email list, you just go in there every day, screenshot a new result, share it, and then all you have to say is go to this link for more information or message me if you want to learn how you can also do the same thing. Okay, it makes it incredibly easy, and I love that. Number three is up-to-date video training from a seven-figure earner. Okay, so tell me this in the comments if you're watching this on YouTube. Have you ever joined a program or a course and you get into the back office, you get into the video training and you realize that it's outdated, right? You realize that it's outdated. Maybe it's PLR, private label rights product. So it's not even the product creator created it themselves. So it's outdated. The quality isn't good. I've had this happen multiple times. And the issue is if you recommend new people to join and they don't know what they're doing, they're not going to have good training to also get results. And if they don't get results, they're going to be upset with you. And it's just not a good vibe to have. But with this, what are you actually getting when you join at one of those levels, right? The Legacy Builder is the highest level, but if you can't afford the $900, the one-time payment, if you're in the United States, they do offer payment plans, but you can also just join at the highest level you can. Okay, there's a $100 level, a $300 level, a $600 level, and a $900 level. Now, all of those levels give you access to tons and tons of video training. Okay, so I'm actually inside of the program right here. Now I'm at the highest level, but you can literally just go down here and whatever level you have that unlocked. Okay, so this right here, this is the launch pad. This is the first level that you get access to just for the $100, but I want to share the massive value just at the $100 level. Okay, so if I go into view product, you're going to see they have all these video modules right here. Okay, launch kit for your, what is passive income? What is resale rights? The 2-hour workday. Okay, so we preach inside of this community to only work 2 hours a day or less. Okay, this isn't some grind. This isn't some like, oh, you got to slave away all day to make money. You don't have to pick up the phone. You don't have to bother people. This is a 2-hour or less workday, which I absolutely love. Launch to profit in 7 days. Okay, so this is what to do exactly in 7 days to profit. So if you invest and join this program, you want to profit. You want to make your money back and even more within your first week. This lesson right here teaches you that, okay? And they have way more. I mean, I can go through how to access, your funnel. I mean, it's mind-blowing, right? And so that was number three. Number four, okay, and by the way, there's going to be a link directly below so you can actually get started with this specific program. But number four is live Zoom coaching calls to get your questions answered. So a lot of times in these affiliate programs, you join and you're stranded, right? How many times does that happen? If that's happened, comment yes in the comment section. Have you ever joined something and you just feel you don't have any help, right? Maybe you just have one question that you want answered and you just can't get help. You have two options inside of this community. One, you can literally just go to the community, okay, and you can go to general discussion, okay, and you can literally just either help other people, okay, or you can literally just ask a question, like, hey, I have trouble, getting TikTok followers. Can you help? Right? Something like that, right? And then people will literally respond and help you. That's the first way. The second way is if you go to the calendar, they're always having weekly Zoom coaching calls. So these are live calls. Okay, they have a Tuesday Tech, which is if you're needing help with something technical, you can literally get on there. It's about an hour, and people will literally answer your technical questions. This right here is a tech Zoom as well. They also have like a momentum mentoring. Okay, and these are all included for the most part. Okay, some of the calls are going to be at a different level. Okay, there's a different thing, but for the most part, you're going to get access when you join these live coaching calls. So you can get on there, talk to 6- and 7-figure earners, and literally get real up-to-date help with your current issues, which is absolutely incredible. And then last but certainly not least is one of my favorite things, the automated system that follows up for you. So if you want something that's running for you, if you like the idea of automation, okay, if you like the idea of something out there working for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping, doing all the telling, selling, and following up for you, you're gonna love this program. Okay, again, there's gonna be a link directly below. When you go to that link, put in your best email and I'll shoot you over information so you can go ahead and get started today and really put this into place. This automated system does all the following up for you. Okay, the fortune is in the follow-up. Most people, it's just how it is not going to buy right away. So what we do is we send them to a page to capture their email, and then the system starts following up for us. Okay, we don't have to kind of manually follow up. We don't have to bother people. It's just automated. Okay, that's how you're seeing all those people wake up to commissions. That's how you're seeing all these people say, oh, I was, with my kids at the softball game and I'm still making income. Okay, because it's literally automated. And you can see right here, when you get inside of here, okay, part of the training right here is how to actually get the funnel link. Okay, that's incredibly high converting. How do you know the funnel converts? Again, look at all these results, right? Everyone's using the same funnel, okay? Now, if you think, oh, everyone's using the same funnel, is it saturated? There's 4.8 billion people on Facebook alone, and there's only 13,000 members, okay? So there's almost no one doing this, so you're gonna be crushing it. But then basically you can go here and they have this funnel, okay? So they literally give you your own funnel, and then they give you your own emails that start following up with people for you, converting your leads. That way you can literally start just having these, payments coming in. You see 582 results right here, okay? Absolutely incredible, right? So if you're watching this, I hope this made sense. This is why I'm personally running with the Legacy Builder program after so many things that I've tried online. If you have any more questions, comment them or respond to my email if I sent you an email with this video. Also be sure to subscribe with the bell icon if you're on YouTube. I'll be sharing much more proof, much more information. And also go to the link directly below. Check this out and get started. Success loves speed. Get started at the highest level you can. Plug in and start to promote this. This is not going anywhere, and it's absolutely incredible. So thank you so much for watching, my friend, and I hope you have a great and awesome day, and I will talk very soon.